Most people see recycled as a budget choice. A senior designer sees it as the ultimate expression of material alchemy. Today, we are turning the discarded into the divine. We are revealing DIY recycled unique trellis ideas that don't just support your plants, they define your spatial integrity. If you want to add breathtaking charm to your garden or your climbing houseplants without spending a dime, you're home. I'm Beki, and this is the Skeleton Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. I know we often feel like luxury is out of reach, but in this space, we use structural logic to find beauty in the funky junk. Today, we aren't just upcycling, we are engineering. In 2026, we are moving towards sustainable garden art and tactile integrity. We are building supports that don't just hold stems, they hold the history of the materials we've saved. Let's step into the magic of the reclaimed. The Skeleton Revelation. Engineering your inspired outdoor area. 1. The philosophy of material alchemy. In the world of Beki Décor, we don't see trash. We see potential. We see the geometric skeleton hidden within a rusted coil of wire or a weathered piece of copper piping. This is material alchemy, the process of taking the lowly and transforming it into something of high-end value. It is the realization that the most expensive-looking designs often come from the most humble origins, provided they are treated with intentionality. In 2026, the trend of sustainable luxury is about more than just being green. It's about tactile integrity. It's the feeling of a material that has lived a life. The pitted surface of old iron, the greenish patina of aged copper, the silvered grain of reclaimed cedar. When you use a DIY recycled unique trellis, you are adding a deep, resonant story to your inspired outdoor area. You are telling the world that you value the history of the earth as much as the beauty of the bloom. This isn't just gardening, it's vertical artistry. We are creating a bridge between the industrial past and the biological future. By using materials that already possess a soul, we ensure that our sanctuary feels grounded and authentic, rather than mass-produced and sterile. 2. Engineering the geometric skeleton. The most common mistake in DIY trellising is a lack of structure. To achieve a professional, senior designer look, you must focus on the geometric skeleton. Whether you are using old bicycle wheels, discarded rebar, or copper tubing, you must think about structural logic. We aren't just tying sticks together, we are building an architectural framework. A trellis should be beautiful even when the plant is dormant in the winter. By creating clean, intentional lines, diamonds, grids, or interlocking spirals, you provide a year-round architectural anchor. This skeleton is what creates infinite volume. It draws the eye upward, making a small garden bed feel like a grand installation. We are looking for a specific type of balance, the hard, unyielding line of the recycled metal against the soft, organic curve of the climbing vine. This tension is where spatial integrity is born. When the skeleton is strong, the garden feels deliberate. It moves from a collection of plants to a designed environment. By engineering these structures from funky junk, we prove that the skeleton of a garden is the most vital part of its beauty. Three. Climbing Houseplant Support. The interior reveal. Vertical growth shouldn't stop at the patio door. For my indoor mindful creators, a climbing houseplant support made from recycled materials is the ultimate way to elevate your interior design. Most store-bought stakes are green plastic or flimsy bamboo that detracts from the luxury of a room. Imagine, instead, a delicate, hand-twisted wire trellis made from old copper electrical wire, polished to a champagne bronze shine. When you place this in a pot with a monstera or a philodendron, you aren't just giving it something to lean on, you are creating vertical artistry inside your home. This adds a layer of sustainable garden art to your living room. It's about taking those small, neglected scraps, the offcuts from a home renovation or the wire from a broken appliance, and giving them a stage. The tactile integrity of real metal indoors creates a luxury feel that plastic poles simply cannot replicate. As the plant weaves through the metal, the leaves catch the metallic glint, creating a luminous integrity that changes with the afternoon sun. It turns a simple houseplant into a sculptural masterpiece. 4. Curating an inspired outdoor area. To truly transform your space into a breathtaking sanctuary, the placement of your trellis is as important as the design itself. We use trellises to create rooms within the garden, effectively carving out private nooks from open space. This is spatial expansion. By placing a series of recycled trellises along a fence line or a balcony edge, you create dimensional curation. You are effectively engineering privacy while adding sustainable luxury. In 2026, we are looking for invisible boundaries, structures that offer a sense of enclosure without blocking the light or the breeze. A trellis made from thin, recycled high-tensile wire or narrow copper pipes provides support, without the visual heavy-handedness of a solid wall. It maintains luminous integrity, allowing the sun to filter through the leaves while still providing the structural logic your garden needs to thrive. This is how you turn a plain yard into an inspired outdoor area. You are creating layers of depth, making the viewer feel as though they are stepping into a secret world, one hidden portal at a time. 5. The final revelation. Finding the extra in the ordinary. Look at the way the light catches these reclaimed materials. By performing material alchemy, we've taken what others threw away and turned it into the most talked about piece in the garden. This is the skeleton revelation. It is the moment you realize that beauty isn't something you buy, it's something you perceive and then build. Style is not about how much you spend, it's about the infinite potential you see in the world around you. By building your own DIY recycled unique trellis, you are claiming your role as a mindful creator. You are weaving your own story, your own handiwork, and your own values into the very fabric of your landscape. Style is finally within reach, not in a luxury catalog, and not behind a paywall, but in your own imagination. When we honor the funky junk by giving it a geometric skeleton, we aren't just making a trellis. We are making a statement about how we want to live in 2026. Sustainably, beautifully, and with deep tactile integrity. Thank you for joining me in this skeleton revelation. My prayer for you today is that you look at the discarded things in your life and see their infinite potential. Whether it's a scrap of wire, a piece of old wood, or even a forgotten dream, remember that with a little material alchemy, anything can become a masterpiece. If you've built your own recycled trellis, tell me about it in the comments. I love hearing how you are adding tactile integrity to your spaces and reclaiming the beauty of the earth. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you this Thursday for our next breathtaking reveal. Stay inspired, stay creative, and keep seeing the magic in the mess. Remember, your home is a living altar to your creativity. Don't be afraid to use funky junk to build your breathtaking sanctuary. Use what you have, honor the earth, and create an inspired outdoor area that knows your name. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep creating, and keep finding the beauty in the reclaimed.